Hello everybody, DragonOfIron here. You might be wondering where I am with this episode. Well, I have my helicopter now. Um, and I'm at the military base, which is where I left off with the last episode, but I recorded an episode and it didn't turn out well. Nothing worked right. And so that didn't work. And so now I made another episode. And it's kind of just blankly, and it's in the dark, and yeah. How come I don't see any zombies? Yeah, so we're back for another episode. Where's the zombies? There's a zombie. There's two zombies. I want to run over those guys. Crap! It's only those guys. Why? Boy, I don't like those guys at all. In case you didn't gather that. Those guys are just tough. I hear some more zombies. Let's head over to this tower where we can be safe. Oh, hello. You're not too mean looking, are you? No, you're not. You just don't want to die. Oh, another Avenger. I will take that. Ooh. I'm on the wrong side of the tower. Get off. I bet you there's a zombie on the other side of that wall that wants to kill me. Pants and a smoke grenade. What good is that gonna do me? Just what good? I mean, really. I already have pants. I mean, if I didn't have pants, sure, that'd do me some good. But what is that zombie doing with my car? I keep missing him. I keep hitting my car. I can't hit him. Okay, let's back the car up. Now let's get out of the car before it blows up. I did not want to set my car on fire. Who cares? I got a helicopter. I got a helicopter. Who needs a car? Yes. So, yeah. Another Avenger. Cool. And another one of these guns. Obviously mine is better. But let's get the clip out of this one. It's not fully loaded, unfortunately. Let's put this in there. Get the clip out of this. Hee. This is how I do it. I just take all the good ammo and just move on. Come on, get in my... Are you not gonna let me pick it up? Are you seriously... Why is it... Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that to me? I have space in my inventory. I can't pick up either of them. None of that stuff I can pick up. Okay, I just lost an Avenger and I just broke my legs. Great! Great. There's zombies nearby. I'm hungry. And I'm not really happy right now. Don't mess with me. Oh, I don't even have any food. Oh wait, I do have some chips. Okay. I'm hungry too. That doesn't help. Is that a zombie? Can't tell. As long as he doesn't bother me. That wouldn't be a bad vehicle to have. Let's see. Never seen that before. I'll have to look at it later. More smoke grenades. I really should have gotten a flashlight. Usually I just ditch flashlights because they're not really any use unless it's dark. And I don't normally play in the dark too much. Or go in the dark too much. This isn't playing. It's not like this is a game. Really. I can't believe it. Who would ever say that? This is a game. I could die here like any second. Game. I really need to make a base. What Avenger ammo do I have that's low? Well, that's one shot different, but that's fine. Still one more shot for me. Okay, yeah. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna forget about all the rest of the stuff in here. Go find my helicopter. And oh, my legs are fixed. Okay, and take off and find a good place to make a house. I like this. If I just shoot off, look off into the distance, it has a question mark. And it's like, I do not know how far the object you are aiming at is. You don't know how far away the moon is? What good are you? Too bad this helicopter doesn't have any lights. Okay, it's all in the mouse. It's all in the mouse. Gotta go straight up right now. Okay. I think I want it to be close to the military base because that's where the best stuff is. I mean, we can do it on this hill. I want to have a good landing pad, which we could build like a landing pad out of here. Let's I want to look at the map. There we go. Now we're good to look at the map. See, I haven't really been all the way around here. I think this is a good place. But first things first, I need to get wood, but I don't have an axe or a chainsaw or even a saw. And I do not want to blow up my helicopter. Let's kind of ease away from that tree a little bit. There we go. Good boy. Okay, good places to find an axe for or a chainsaw. Probably be a farm. I do believe there's farms down this way. Flying a helicopter, flying a helicopter, a helicopter. I can't tell if I'm losing altitude or not. What I am losing is fuel. This thing burns for fuel. That is for sure. Gotta make sure I keep this thing steady. I don't want it to blow up on me. I do not want to lose the only helicopter I have. I mean, there might be one at the airport, which I haven't been to yet. Okay, let's land it right here. If I had an umbrella, I'd act like Mary Poppins and just jump out of the helicopter and float down on my umbrella. But I don't have an umbrella, so let's look at the map. Don't know why, but I just wanted to look at the map. Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay. Oh, cool. We're a good distance away from any trees. La 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 la. Okay, let's wreck some zombies. Oh, I completely missed him. Okay. Hi. Oh no. Ooh, a quad. That's good news. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay. That's not good news. What do we got here? Tomato. That's not a good tomato. Let's see. All I want is an axe. I mean, a saw would be fine, but an axe would be really helpful. Even a chainsaw would be great, but an axe would be nice. I will eventually need a saw, just because you can't cut the trees up into boards without a saw. So, yeah. This place is useless. You're useless to me. You're useless to me. Oh, I had a splint this whole time. Well, let's ditch that and pick up this candy bar. And we'll eat it. That tasted good. Sort of. I mean, no, I actually didn't. I actually couldn't even taste it. I mean, it's a game. I mean, it's a game. I mean, really, I had you all fooled. I had you. Yeah, I had you fooled. Yeah, you were fooled. Just admit it. Yeah, you're gonna. You don't even try. Nope, you can't deny it. Oh, I'm walking so far. I've been walking for so long. Hey, can we be friends? No? Ooh. These guys don't die with headshots. Which is... Oh! I heard him, but I didn't see him. And all of a sudden he was there. And I shot. And he died. Yay! Oh, hello. Do you want to be friends? I mean, we can be friends. I'll be friends with any zombies. As long as you give me good stuff. Yeah. I mean, right now all I want is an axe. Do these people keep... No, I don't think they would. I didn't think they'd keep an axe in the bedroom. Well, let's see. Potato. Nothing. Nothing. Bread. Nothing. 2 backpacks. Who puts 2 backpacks in the... Oh. Really, it's in the refrigerator. You'd think it'd be better. Let's see. No grenades, no axe, no nothing. There's nothing good. And me being a dummy, I walked all the way over here when I could have taken a quad. Wow. I mean, really. This is such a long walk. I mean, it's not like just a happen to skip and a jump and you're there. But okay, here's the helicopter. So, where should I head? Where's a place that might have an axe? Okay, we are at... Where's the military base? Oh, we're right here. Duh. That's where it is. Pirate Cove. I didn't even know there was a Pirate Cove. Farm there and a farm there. And probably this fishing camp might have one too. So let's head straight. Let's go. Let's take off and fly a helicopter. Fly a helicopter. Fly it all day. Fly a helicopter. Fly a helicopter. Let's get some altitude before we hit a tree and blow up. La 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 la. Don't mind saying, I am an expert at flying helicopters, apparently. Ah, if I see a gas station down here, I'm gonna stop. Oh, there's a gas station right there. How come I didn't see it? I do not want to land this helicopter in the water. Let's get a little bit more space. Okay, right there. Land it. These things are so weird. Coming down. Coming down. We're right in the shoreline. Please stay not in the water. Ooh, so close. Okay, let's get our fuel tank, our spare gas can. Fill her up. Oh, I haven't made Well, I have to get an axe before I can make a crate. Yeah, that's right. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I am just getting gas, okay? Whoa! Did not see you there. I'm sorry. I almost tripped on you. I'm trying to use this Avenger up now. Just get rid of it. Ah, what are you doing? Things wear out so hard, so fast. Yeah, there we go. Now my helicopter's full of gas. Okay, thank you all. Yeah, if I disturbed your zombie-ness, I guess. I'm sorry. I just wanted to I wonder. I want these. Can I drink these? No. Okay. Just had to see if I could or not. Okay. Don't judge me. Don't judge me like that. No. Where'd that food go? I just picked up some food, really. Come on. No, I didn't. Okay. I mean, had a little bit of lag there. Okay, let's jump down on these chips. Grab this wheat stuff thingies. I'd imagine it's healthy for you, I guess. And yes, let's go. Bye. I'm leaving. That's real. Stop pressing the wrong buttons. Good grief. I'm such a noob. Okay, so it's gonna want to lean back, so I want to pull back a little bit, I guess. Don't know how you'd say it. That's how I'm gonna say it. And we'll move on. Bye. Bye. And we were just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the farm. And I don't want to land in the field because that could be hard getting out. I don't want to land there. Let's land on the road. I want to land where it's going to be safe for my helicopter. Please say I land straight on the road. Nope, I'm nowhere even near the road. Okay, back up a little bit, back up. There we go. They say I'm a little ways away from the telephone pole. Ooh, pull up a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Perfect landing. I'm impressed. Again with myself. Yeah, this Avenger's a nice gun, but I want to get rid of it. Because I don't have much ammo for it. I wonder if I can snipe that zombie. Nope. Crap, bet you there's one coming up behind me right now. 2 quads. Why do you make so much noise? I just want to kill you. There we go. See, that wasn't hard, now was it? Let's ditch that clip, and I do believe... Yes, this is our last Avenger clip, so... let's see... Is there an axe? No axe over there. No axe. Okay, sometimes people just don't carry the necessary equipment for me to survive before they die and become zombies. Okay, I can understand why there wasn't an axe in there now. Apparently they didn't want me to survive or something like that. There. Yeah. Oh, you don't look too good there. Did you die? Well, poor soul. Yes. Alright everybody, thank you all for watching. I'm going to end this video here. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure to smack that like button and leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Keep an eye out for the next episode, and we will see you all later. Yeah, we'll see you all later.